In the real scheme of things, File, I wouldn't be able to do this if it wasn't for the community and the love, obviously. But you guys do so much already, and I'm very thankful. And I'm willing to put in more work. Definitely willing to put in more work. I used to work like 16, 17, 18-hour days for somebody else's business. Gotta do it for mine too, right? Oh, we got the little puzzle pieces. I'm so excited. Hopefully you guys can complete this one and we can do a little giveaway as well. I know, you're so nice to me. Thank you so much. Tears for me. I'm sorry, Swanee. We got a sub bomb. Thank you so much, True. Ew! Stop saying nice things, chat. I'm not trying to cry today. Where's Prime and Tombstone when I need them to be mean to me for a minute? Where are my puzzles? Oh, they're there. I know you guys really enjoy these. 5, 10, 15. That's 3 of them. Swanee, treat for Sunday, baby. Okay. I'll get it in a minute. Stop saying, oh God, I worked really hard on these, unicorn. So we're going to take 3 of these away. If you need to. It's okay then to scream thank you. Okay, chat. We have to take 3 of these away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is the first one we're taking away? Two, 3, 2, 3, 4. I'm not trying to cry, Alexander. 1? Oh my God, there's 3 ones. You guys are really bad at this. 69, 8. Come on, man. All right, I'll pick myself. 1. 2, 3. Can anyone guess the sentence? My drawings are so funny on this. Come on, guys. This one's easy. If we had 3 more subs, we could take away another piece, but I think this is already giving it away. And poop, dust. Okay, these black lines are just connecting this to the next word. All of these pictures, if you sound them out together, create one phrase. Does everyone know what kind of animal this is? It's not a sheep. It has horns. This is hay, correct? It is a goat. Does everyone know what this is? Damn it. A cow and ass. Wow, dude. Chalkboard, yeah. I'm just going with board. So this is a board. This is a goat. It reads like this. One sentence. A heifer, a TV. No one can guess it yet?